I'm Ryan Jones, principal of the Marshall Math Science Academy, and we're here today to talk about pickup and drop-off. We're along Hale Avenue, right outside of Marshall School. We're going to talk about the do's and don'ts to keep your child safe and get you guys out of here quickly. The first thing we're going to talk about today is our unique traffic pattern that we've set up for drop-off and pickup. These are the guidelines that will keep your children safe and get you out of here as quickly and efficiently as possible. Next, we're going to talk about where you can park on Hale Avenue and where you can't park on Hale Avenue. Right now, we have an unprecedented amount of parents that are picking their students up every day after school. And we understand that sometimes it can get a little hectic out here. So we want to show you where it's okay to park and where it's not okay to park. If you notice, right across the street from me are the Magnolia Apartments. This is private property. We cannot park in the Magnolia apartment parking spots, and we cannot park in the residence of the Magnolia parking spots. What this does is create an unsafe crossing for our students right in the middle of Hale Avenue. A city bus just went by. This illustrates perfectly about our next no parking zone, which is a city bus stop. We have a no parking sign here, so you can see, as a reminder to not park here. We set up cones so that you can see that we can't park here. And there's a big city bus sign in the background to indicate that this is a bus stop. The reason we can't park here is the city bus runs its route and picks up here during dismissal. We have students, staff members, community members, and parents that all catch the bus at this time. If we're here, we prevent capital area transit from doing their job. The last place you cannot park is the place that you want to park the most, which is right in front of our school. It makes the most sense that you would drop off right here so you can see your child walk right into the school. The problem is that this is where our buses drop off. We have our buses drop off here so that there's no need for students to walk into the street. They're dropped off and they can walk right into the building. We put a sign here, a yield sign, to indicate to you this is where our buses are dropping off. Please do not park right in front of our school. To illustrate how you should drop off, I'm going to show you myself from my Jeep. So the first thing we're going to do is pull out from the faculty parking lot in the front. We may not park in the faculty parking lot out front. I'm turning onto Hale Ave, and I'm going to pull into the second right or first left. As you pull in, you'll notice that we have cones set up to guide you. If there is a pedestrian, please wait and be patient as they cross. When it's all clear and safe, you may go. You'll go up around the tennis courts, towards the baseball field, and when we get to the end, around and down, and you'll come out by the cafeteria. In the morning, when you drop off, we start opening up our doors as early as 7:50 a.m. We know that our parents have to get to work, so we start opening up our doors early. We ask that you drop your children off anywhere from 7:50 to 8:30 a.m. When you drop your child off, they'll exit the car and go right into the cafeteria, where they'll be greeted by our safety monitor and have their temperature checked. My mask hurts me because I wear it all day. So I've bought a little strap to wear around the back so it fits comfortably all day long. I'm going to go in.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Good. As I go in, I get my temperature checked. If I'm clear, I'm good to enter. If I'm not, we'll notify you right away. After we drop off, we're going to exit and follow the flow of traffic. I'm going to show you how to do that now. As we're leaving, we make our way this way. If you're waiting for a child, please park in the left lane. But if you're ready to go, you may pull into the right and look for our crossing guard. It's usually me. When traffic is safe, a crossing guard will go out, hold up traffic, and indicate that it's time for us to go. And we're out safe.